Very good evening to all of you, beta. I'm quickly going to revise, this chapter that is chemical reaction, beta, for tomorrow's exam, beta. First of all, beta, how many types of reaction is there, beta? Okay. If you see here, beta, how many product is formed in this side? If only one product is formed, can you see only one product is formed? Then it is which reaction, beta? Combination, addition, or synthesis. Are you getting it? Right? Now, what type of question they will ask based on this, beta? So, as I told you, beta, in order to understand this, you should know the last part of the page, the big notes which I have given. In that, you should know the last part. What is the last part of that big notes? This thing. Okay, so if they say which are the neutral gas, you should know hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, water. Then if they say acidic gas, then acidic gas is carbon dioxide, SO2, SO3. Why acidic gas is called acidic? Because if I make it react with water, it will give me acid. Right? Reddish brown gas, NO2, greenish yellow gas, chlorine. Rotanic smell gas is hydrogen sulfide. Only basic gas in your syllabus is ammonia. Okay, now what are weak acid? Carbonic acid, sulfurous, all these are weak acid, these three. Okay, strong acid is HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, these are strong acid. Now anything which has OH, it is a base. Anything which has an OH, it is a base. Now a base which is soluble in water, base are of two types. Water soluble means we call them as alkali. How to remember? Lina, KRBCs and ammonium. So if anything which has these are alkali because they are water soluble. And any other metal, oxide, hydroxide or carbonate, like if I write zinc hydroxide, it does not have Lina KRBCs. So we call it as base. Insoluble, water insoluble is base and water soluble is alkali. Now, in exam, I'll ask you, okay, questions. What type of questions I'm going to ask you? So that I'm going to teach you. Look here. Now, in exam, if I tell you, beta, write a combination reaction write a combination reaction in which weak alkali is formed. Sorry, write a combination reaction in which weak acid is formed. So look, as we did beta, if anything which has beta what, only one product is formed, then it is which reaction? Combination. Now in this in exam I will ask you, write a combination reaction in which weak acid is formed. So can you see this is a combination and you get a weak acid, which all are weak acid? These three are weak acid. So any one reaction you can write, either this or this. If they say strong alkali, alkali means water soluble base. So this is strong alkali. Combination reaction in which strong alkali is formed. So this reaction. Combination reaction in which weak alkali is formed. So who was weak alkali? Calcium hydroxide. So this reaction. Calcium oxide plus water. And if they say only base is formed, then this reaction. If they say only base is formed, then this reaction you will write. Is this clear? Hello. So these are our combination reaction. In combination reaction, I can ask Fe react with yellow non-metal. So yellow non-metal means what should come to your mind? Sulfur. First, we have to study beta which page? Last page. Which page? Last page. Now here in last page, beta, what you have to remember, beta, this is very important now. Amphoteric oxide. Who are amphoteric oxide, beta? Janabe Ali in pub. Zinc oxide, aluminum oxide, and Pb oxide. They are amphoteric. Amphoteric means what, beta? They will tell you, this question will come about oxide. Four type of oxides are there. Acidic oxide is non-metal oxide. These are all acidic oxide. Metal oxide are basic. These are basic. And these three are what, beta? Amphoteric. And these four are neutral oxide. Then what you should know, copper salt are generally which color? Blue. Only copper oxide is black and copper carbonate is greenish blue. Fe2 plus salt are dirty green. Fe3 plus are reddish brown. PbO is buff yellow. Zinc oxide which is yellow when hot, white when cold. Zinc oxide. Mercury oxide is orange color. Chromic oxide is green. Ammonium dichromate is orange color. Yellow non-metal if they ask, then beta sulfur. Reddish brown liquid if they ask, then it is bromine. Dense white fumes, then ammonium chloride. Okay, so this you should know. Now in this, what type of question they will ask? That also I'm going to tell you. Look, beta, I can ask you this type of question. A trivalent metal, aluminum valence is 3, so trivalent metal with greenish yellow gas. So you should know aluminium plus chlorine. Greenish yellow gas, you should know. Divalent metal and yellow non-metal. So yellow non-metal means you should know, beta, it is sulfur. It will give you FeS. So this is all about. Acha. If I ask you question, write a combination reaction in which base is formed. Base. Okay, so which is your base? Only basic gas is what? Beta, basic gas, sorry. Write a combination reaction in which basic gas is formed. So nitrogen plus hydrogen will give you ammonia, basic gas. Plus triangle means exothermic reaction. Temperature is 450 to 500. Pressure is 200 to 900 atmosphere. Catalyst is finely divided nickel. And promoter. What is catalyst? Which increases the efficiency of reaction. Promoter is the substance which increases efficiency of catalyst. Write a combination reaction in which neutral liquid is formed. So neutral liquid is water. So you have to write H2 plus O2. Only one product is formed or not? Tell me. Write a combination reaction in which strong acid is formed. So sulfuric acid was strong acid or not? Tell me. So SO3 plus H2O. For weak acid it is SO2. Right? So these are the reactions. If I ask you write a combination reaction between basic gas and acid, only basic gas is ammonia. HCl is acidic. And you will get what, beta? Dense white fumes. So this was which reaction? Combination. All the different type of questions I have covered for combination. Right? Then beta we go to displacement reaction. In displacement, what is the logic? Tell me. More reactive will displace the less reactive. देखना ए ने बी को लात मार दिया. जो लात मारने वाला है वो अकेला होना चाहिए. It should be all alone. It has displaced this. B has been displaced. Now for this, what you have to remember, beta? Reactivity series. What is the reactivity series? This you have to remember, beta, huh? Karina ne car. Sorry, it is too small. Yeah. This you should know, beta. Karina ne car मांगी Altos and Ferrari. फिर भी है cute Mercury silver plated Audi. Now in exam they will ask you whether this reaction will take place or not. So you have to see magnesium is up and it is all alone. Zinc is below or not. So above one will displace the lower one. Are you getting it? Will zinc displace copper? Yes. But can copper displace zinc? No, copper is below and zinc is above. Can you see? Not possible. Right? Similarly, can zinc displace hydrogen? Yes. Can magnesium displace hydrogen? Above one will displace the lower one. Look, hydrogen is released. But can copper displace hydrogen? नीचे वाला ऊपर वाले को displace नहीं करेगा. Not possible. This is not possible. Now you have to remember, beta. First three elements are highly reactive. These three are highly reactive. So they will react with what, beta? Cold water. Okay, Karina and car, these three can react with which water, beta? Cold water. Okay, and all this, they will react with which water, beta? They will react with steam. They will react with steam. What is their reaction? Look, I'll show you. Can you see this, beta? These three reaction. Okay, potassium, Karina and car, they react with cold water. Okay, and they will give you metal hydroxide and hydrogen. Metal hydroxide and hydrogen. Rest all this. Lower one will give you beta oxide and hydrogen. Oxide and hydrogen. Now for non-metal also I have given one trick. First class biryani I ate. Can chlorine displace bromine or not? Tell me. ऊपर वाला नीचे वाले को लात मारेगा कि नहीं? देख बेटा. Can I have chlorine displace iodine? देखो बेटा. It will displace. Right? Okay. Now first on the basis of these two, what all type of question they may ask? Look, this is your paper, worksheet or whatever it is. This is the latest worksheet which they gave, beta. Hello. I think this is the question. Yeah. In a displacement reaction, what will happen? Come on, tell me.
Sir, an element replaces another element in a compound.
Look, in a displacement reaction. So what will happen? An element will replace. Which of the following is the displacement reaction? Which one? Can you see, beta? This zinc is giving
So Z
So
and 1.
C.
C. Very good. Double, I'm not teaching you, beta. First, well, I'm doing only these first two, which we have done. Okay, which metal will displace iron from iron sulfate? Iron means FeSO4. Which metal can displace the
Sir,
first?
sir magnesium.
Carinane,
Sir
Carnegie,
magnesium.
Altos, and
Magnesium.
Ferrari. So magnesium will displace it or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Then what they asked? Define displacement reaction with example. So what you'll write in displacement? It is a reaction in an active metal will displace less active metal. And you can give example of zinc and copper sulfate. Are you getting it? You will get zinc sulfate and copper. Why does copper does not displace zinc? Why copper cannot displace zinc? Tell me.
Sir, we
Or
didn't do
because
the
it's
second
less
one.
reactive.
Yeah, it is below zinc. It is less reactive as it is below zinc in reactivity series. Okay?
Sir, you didn't do number two.
Because I'm not taught that better. Let me
Okay.
teach again. Right? Okay. And one more thing, what some parents were saying, what was the latest worksheet? I think. Uh, which was this worksheet? New worksheet. This is the new worksheet.
No, sir, not this one.
This only that. Acha, this. This one. This is a paper we did, na beta? This is the worksheet. Let me check what is there in this worksheet. Oh, this is the latest worksheet. Okay, not a problem. Okay, beta, we'll do this first. Chalo. Okay, when a small amount of quicklime is added to water, container becomes.
Sir,
Exothermic.
exothermic
Exothermic
coagulation
coagulation
Exothermic.
So
reaction.
when you add this to water, you get calcium hydroxide, and heat is released. So it is which reaction? Exothermic.
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 Okay, what confirms? Acha, how will you come to know that a chemical reaction has
Sir,
taken?
a new substance is formed.
In chemical reaction, what will happen, beta? New substance is formed. Silver night. Acha, abhi beta, now I'll go to the next one, beta. Look, beta. Whenever I give you, I have given you this in this also, but I'll show you this. Now I'm going for decomposition reaction. Which reaction? Decomposition. But for decomposition also, I have to rotate this now. I can't rotate this here. Acha, here it is. Rotate. Eh, Rotate. Oh yeah, I got it, bro. I got it, bro. Yeah. Which question, Myra? What was your question?
Sir, I asked you which part of the precipitation reaction
So that
forms
beta, let me complete this. After this, it will come. Okay? How will you come to know that whether it will be precipitate or not? Now, beta, look, I want all of you to know this. We are going to do decomposition. In decomposition, beta, you will get more product. Only one reactant and many product. First, we are going to do thermal decomposition means what? This triangle means what? I'm heating it. Now, what you have to remember, beta, whenever I take Carina ka nitrate, can you see this? Carina ka nitrate. So, what it will give me, beta? Nitrite and oxygen. So if I take potassium nitrate, I get potassium nitrate and oxygen. Sodium nitrate, I will get sodium nitrate and oxygen. Now in exam, I can ask you this question. A, which gas is released when potassium nitrate or sodium nitrate is heated? So we'll get only oxygen. Then if I take any nitrate of calcium to copper, can you see from calcium to copper any nitrate if I take, then what I'll get? Tell me. This you have to remember, beta.
Sir,
Metal oxide plus
Metal
sir,
oxide
metal
NO2 plus
oxide
O2.
plus
So I'll
NO2
get.
plus
So
oxygen.
now tell me, beta, calcium nitrate. Who's the metal? Calcium oxide. Okay, NO2
Sir,
NO2 मिलेगा.
calcium oxide.
Lead nitrate में who's the metal? Lead oxide. Copper nitrate में, suppose if I would have taken zinc nitrate, then what I would have got? Tell me, who is the metal here? Come on, zinc is the metal, na? So what I'll get? Zinc
ZnO.
oxide.
Sir, zinc oxide.
NO2 NO2. Are you getting it? Clear? Suppose if I would have taken lead nitrate, अच्छा तो ये तो दे दिया मैंने. Now the element which are below in the reactivity series, mercury and silver. Gold we don't study because it is not reactive. So mercury and silver. Achha, now what question they will ask? Which gases are released when calcium nitrate is heated? So what will say? NO2 NO2. Now these two beta, always remember mercury and silver का कोई भी compound होगा ना, it will always give you metal. So silver nitrate, if I will give you what I'll get beta, metal NO2 NO2. So it will give me silver NO2 NO2. Mercury nitrate, if I heat, it will give you metal NO2 NO2. In exam, what type of question I can ask? What type of question I can ask? Name a metal, name a nitrate which give its own metal. So what you'll write? Either silver nitrate or mercury nitrate. Are you getting it? So this is with decomposition, thermal. Decomposition will take place by absorption of heat. Now we did trick for nitrate. Now we are going to do trick for hydroxide. What is the trick for hydroxide? Whose hydroxide does not decompose? So Carina ka hydroxide does not decompose. So what will write? Potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide does not decompose. Now beta, if I take calcium to copper any hydroxide, what it will give me? Look here. What it will give me? Come on. Metal oxide and water. So if I take calcium hydroxide, who is the metal here?
Calcium oxide.
Calcium, so calcium oxide and water. Zinc hydroxide, so who is the metal here? Zinc. Lead hydroxide, who is the metal here? Lead. Are you getting
Lead.
it? Oh, ho, 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 ho. Now, beta, as I told you, lower one, they will always give their own metal. So, mercury or silver hydroxide, I'll take, it will give you mercury, water, and oxygen. Then we are going to do trick for carbonate. Now, carbonate also they will ask, which two carbonate does not decompose? So, what will say? Potassium carbonate and sodium carbonate does not decompose. Now, if I take calcium to copper, any carbonate, what it will give me? Metal oxide and CO2. Metal oxide and CO2. Magnesium carbonate, who is the metal? Magnesium carbonate. Zinc carbonate, if I give you, so I get zinc oxide. And if they say observation, so what will write? You get a residue which is yellow when hot, white when cold. Clear? Now, if I take carbonate of last two metal, as I told you, beta, last two metal, they will always give you metal, carbon dioxide and O2. Name a carbonate which give its own metal. So what will write? Mercury carbonate or silver carbonate? Look, they are giving its own metal or not? Tell me. Now for oxide, what is the thing what you are going to remember? Tell me. Mercury and silver oxide, they will give you metal and oxygen. So mercury oxide will give me mercury and oxygen. Silver oxide will give me silver and oxygen. Is this clear? So this was thermal decomposition. Now we are going to do decomposition which take place by absorption of light. What do we call that? Come on, photolytic.
Photochemical decomposition or photolysis.
Now beta, if I take silver salt, sunlight will fall on it. It will give you silver and chlorine. AgBr, it will give you silver and bromine. So one question I can ask, why silver salt should be kept in dark colored bottle? Because if I keep them in transparent bottle, they will absorb light and they will undergo photochemical decomposition. Are you getting it? Electrolytic decomposition means what, beta? I take water, pure water is a
Electrical.
bad conductor. I add few drops of acid to it. Okay, and then beta, what will happen? So what we have to write? Acidified water and electric current is passed. We also call it as electrolysis. Clear? You get hydrogen at cathode and oxygen at anode. If you take NaCl, you will get sodium at cathode and chlorine at anode. Now beta, very important part we are going to do, that is which reaction beta? Double decomposition. Now in double decomposition, you should know many things. How will you come to know, Myra, that how a precipitate is formed? Right now, beta, your question is coming now. So for that, beta, you have to remember these few things. What you are going to remember first? Hmm. Look here. Myra beta. Hello, Myru.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, are you there, na dear? What man? Okay. All chloride are soluble. All chloride are soluble. Except what beta? Except which one? Tell me. आगे होगा पब मीन्स Ag का क्लोराइड, Hg का क्लोराइड एंड Pb का क्लोराइड आर insoluble. Are what in? So these will be precipitate. Now have you understood beta? जब भी beta in reaction if AgCl, HgCl and PbCl2 is formed, then it will form precipitate because they are insoluble. But if any other chloride will be soluble. Sodium chloride soluble, potassium chloride soluble, copper chloride soluble. क्या ये सब क्लोराइड आगे होगा पब का क्लोराइड है क्या? नो. सो दे आर soluble. Myru beta, all sulfate are soluble except which all? Tell me. पंजाब
Uh,
का बाग. सो पीबी का सल्फेट
yeah,
इनसॉल्युबल, कैल्शियम का सल्फेट इनसॉल्युबल, बेरियम का सल्फेट इनसॉल्युबल, सिल्वर का सल्फेट इनसॉल्युबल. ये चार ही सल्फेट इनसॉल्युबल है. सो मायरा, इफ इन एनी रिएक्शन इफ दिस फोर सल्फेट आर फॉर्म दैट मीन्स इट विल बी प्रेसिपिटेट, एंड इफ ओनली these three chloride are formed then it is precipitate. Any other
okay.
sulfate or chloride are soluble. Understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Wait. Few more things are remaining. Then beta, remember, oxide, hydroxide, carbonate and sulfide of only sodium, potassium, ammonium are soluble. Sodium oxide soluble, sodium hydroxide soluble, sodium carbonate soluble, sodium sulfide soluble. Are you getting it? And similarly for potassium. But others will be what? Insoluble. So Myra, if calcium oxide is formed, insoluble. So all this will be precipitate. Are you getting it, dear?
Yes, sir. Thank
Calcium
you.
carbonate, calcium sulfide, lead oxide, lead hydroxide, lead carbonate, lead sulfide. All these are what, beta? Precipitate. So beta, who all will be precipitate first? Tell me. आगे होगा पब का क्लोराइड will be always be precipitate. Then Punjab ka Bagh ka sulfate will be precipitate. Then oxide, hydroxide and carbonate and sulfide, except for sodium, potassium, ammonium, all others will be precipitate. Hey, have you seen lead ka oxide is insoluble, hydroxide insoluble, carbonate insoluble, sulfide insoluble, then sulfate also insoluble, then chloride also was insoluble. Only soluble salt of lead in your syllabus is of lead nitrate. All nitrate are soluble. Remember, nitrate of all metals are soluble. So lead nitrate is also soluble. Now, look, double decomposition mein what happens that I'll teach you. Look. Now, for precipitation reaction, what is the trick, beta? Hello. What is the trick? Myra, look here. What is the trick
Yes, sir.
for? You have to take two soluble salt. You have to take what, beta? Two soluble salt. And you will get one insoluble and another one will be soluble. So before that, you should know which are soluble and which are insoluble. Are you getting it? Salt of sodium, potassium, ammonium, all are soluble. Now for precipitation beta, always remember what do you mean by precipitation reaction beta? Look beta, here what I'm going to write, here there will be AB. So A is positive, B is negative. This is CD. This is positive and this is negative. Partners will change. So A will go with whom beta? A will go with D. So what I get? AD. Then B will go with whom beta? C. So what I'll write here? I won't write BC, I'll write CB. Why? Because we write positive first. Partners are changing. Now in exam, Myra, tell me beta, suppose if I tell you, prepare this lead sulfate. First you have to see whether it is soluble or insoluble. Tell me. Punjab ke Bagh ka sulfate it is. PB ka sulfate it is. So it is soluble or insoluble?
Sir,
My-
it's
Myra,
it's insoluble.
वेरी गुड. तो अच्छा, अभी तेरे को इनसॉल्युबल के लिए तेरे को यहाँ पे दोनों सॉल्ट कौन सा लेना पड़ेगा? सॉल्युबल. Only soluble salt of lead is which one beta in your entire syllabus? Only soluble salt of lead is which one? All nitrates are soluble. So what will
Nitrate.
take? All nitrate are soluble beta. So we'll take nitrate of lead. So lead nitrate.
PgNO3
Hmm. Now beta sulfate किसका soluble होता है बेटा? Next salt will be always of sodium and potassium.
sodium.
So sodium you take. Now what will happen? Partner will change. Look, PB will go with SO4 and Na will go with this. Hey, sodium nitrate is also soluble or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Myra, are you getting it or not? One more example I'm
Yes, sir.
giving. Acha, now calcium carbonate. Is this carbonate of sodium, potassium, ammonium? No, na beta. So it is insoluble. So I have to take two salt, one of calcium which should be soluble. If you don't know any salt, all nitrate are soluble. So Myra, what will take here? Calcium nitrate. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Now carbonate is whose soluble? Only sodium potassium. यहाँ पे कभी भी सोडियम पोटेशियम का सॉल्ट लेने का. तो look, I have taken potassium carbonate. Now partners will change. Calcium will go with carbonate, so insoluble, PPT, downward arrow. And potassium and nitrate will be what? Soluble. Suppose if I give you beta this TB chloride, क्या ये soluble या insoluble? आगे होगा पप का chloride, it is insoluble. So I have to take soluble salt. Only soluble salt of lead is which one beta? Lead nitrate. And here you can take NaCl or KCl. Look, and partners will change and you'll get this. Easy. Now
Yes,
suppose
sir.
I have taken zinc carbonate. Carbonate, is this carbonate of sodium, potassium, ammonium? No. So it is insoluble. So here I have to take soluble salt. If you don't remember soluble salt, what you will take? Beta nitrate. And this will be of only sodium and potassium. Can you see? Have you understood this? This is precipitation reaction. Then there is one more reaction, that is neutralization. In neutralization, what we take beta? Acid plus
So when acid and base
So
react,
it's a reaction between
they
Salt and
have
water.
base only.
salt and water.
Yeah, so look, NaOH base, alkali is base beta. NaOH, KOH, NH4OH. Okay, so here we will always take alkali plus acid, will give you salt and water. Are you getting it? Now we'll go to the question answers. Dun, dun, dun. This is the worksheet, I guess, right? Chalo beta, this. Hey, a silver nitrate solution is mixed with Myru. Now you tell me beta silver nitrate, and look, silver nitrate, all nitrate are soluble. Yes. Sodium chloride is soluble. Yes. Now partners will change, dear. Myra, what you are going to get? Tell me. Partners will change, Myra. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So what you'll get? AgCl you'll get or not? Tell me.
Yeah.
Na,
AgCl and
Na.
NaNO3.
Now tell me beta, is AgCl soluble or insoluble?
So it's insoluble.
हाँ, आगे होगा पक्का chloride. So here PPT is formed. So which reaction it, white solid is formed. So with this, which reaction it will be? Precipitate. So which reaction?
So be precipitate.
Yes. Now for neutralization, what you have to do, beta? You have to take acid and alkali. So which reaction is acid and alkali? Which will give you salt and water? Tell me,
B.
dear.
Sir, B. HCl plus NaOH.
Yes, HCl, acid, alkali, salt and water. Easy. I hope now you are getting it. Now,
Yes,
beta, in
sir.
laboratory, what we have done, we heat a test tube containing blue copper sulfate. It turns white and water droplet. So look, beta, copper sulfate, blue color. It will give you copper oxide. Then beta, no, sorry, white iodide. So this is, oh. Acha, beta, I wanted to tell you few things. I wanted to show you, beta. If you see in my notes, I given this reactions. This one. I want to rotate. Ah, yeah. Where it is? Aja. Here it is. Look, beta, what all type of question I can ask you? I can ask you this. Write your observation when copper nitrate is heated. So what you'll write? Blue color compound will give you black residue and reddish brown gases evolve. Whenever they ask observation, you have to write visible change. A lead nitrate is heated. So white color compound will give you yellow residue and reddish brown gas. Ammonium dichromate is heated. So orange color compound decomposes violently with flashes of light to give you green residue. Now look, this was this question, beta. Can you see this, beta? Copper sulfate. Which color it is, beta? Can you see blue color? And it gives you water droplet and it will become white amorphous powder. So it is which reaction we are heating it? So it is with decomposition. Thermal decomposition. Which reaction it is? Thermal decomposition. So what answer you will write, beta, here? Can you see blue copper sulfate? This was hydrated, 5 water, blue vitriol, it will give you copper sulfate and 5 water. So here what is happening? Decomposition by heating. So thermal decomposition. Understood? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, now we go to this. A type of reaction in which electricity is passed. Come on. Arey, we forgot, beta. Acidified water
Sir,
we need to take.
electrolysis.
Electric
The
current we will
decomposition.
Electrolysis for
pass.
decomposition.
And then with decomposition it will take place.
So electrolysis.
Electrolytic decom. So it is basically which reaction? Decomposition. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Hey, what I have taken? Barium chloride. Barium chloride is BaCl2. Sodium sulfate is Na2SO4. When you heat it, partner will change. So you get barium sulfate and 2NaCl. So which reaction is this? कौन सा मैच हो रहा है? What is the correct one?
B.
Correct
B.
one is which one?
Wait. A.
A, अन्ना. देखना बेटा 2NaCl. A for अन्ना. Okay. Which of these reaction is used for whitewashing of walls? Whitewashing मतलब हम लोग घर पे बेटा वो white paint लगाते ना वो
So
वाला.
B.
हाँ, whitewashing.
Sir, C.
So whitewashing में what we do बेटा? We take व्हाइट वॉशिंग में हम लोग चूना लगाते हैं दीवार पे गांव साइड में. यहाँ पे हम लोग नहीं, यहाँ पे भी करते बेटा. सो दिस इज योर क्विक लाइन बेटा. क्विक लाइन. व्हेन यू ऐड इट टू वाटर यू गेट कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. इसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं बेटा? स्लेक्ड लाइन. स्लेक्ड लाइन होता है और ये लाइम वाटर जो था तुम्हारा वो क्या बन जाता है? मिल्की. इसलिए बेटा व्हाइट वॉशिंग होगा बेटा इसका. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर फॉर दिस? विच वन? कम ऑन.
So B.
Very good. In displacement reaction, metal which can displace copper from copper sulfate. Copper sulfate को
C.
कौन मारेगा लात इसमें से?
Iron. C.
Fe. Why? Because करीना ने कार मांगी, अल्टोजेन फरारी, फिर भी है क्यूट. तो बेटा आयन ऊपर है, कॉपर नीचे है, तो आयन ही इसमें होगा. वाई नॉट मर्क्यूरी, गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर? बिकॉज फिर भी है क्यूट. मर्क्यूरी, silver plated Audi. These are below, na beta? This is below. Can't. Gold, no. Mercury, no. Only iron. Okay. Which one of the following is the characteristic of double displacement reaction?
So C.
C.
Double displacement में क्या होता था? Ions change
Exchange
होते थे.
of ions
Ions.
between two
पता है ना
compounds.
बेटा? ऐसे ions used to get changed. So A will go with D. So exchange of ions. Okay. Now what we have taken beta? Vinegar and baking soda. Vinegar is beta acetic acid. Vinegar beta we eat in food beta. Apple cider vinegar. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. So beta this is base. This is acid. Hey, acid react with base to give you what? Salt and water. Nobody
Salt
will
and
ask this
water.
reaction.
Then
So and beta here beta carbonate is there. Now whenever carbonate is there, it will also
H2O
give you.
plus CO2.
Oh my God, so very good, bro. So beta, this is which reaction? Why is the reaction between vinegar considered a chemical reaction, beta? Because a new substance is formed. Are you getting it?
Yes.
An evolution of gas will take place or not? Tell me, right? Name the type of reaction involved in rusting of iron. Rusting of iron is which reaction?
So oxidation.
Oxidation.
Oxidation. Because rust में beta Fe will react with oxygen and you get rust. The gas evolves when zinc reacts.
So hydrogen.
Sir, hydrogen.
हाँ, झिंक बेटा. करीना ने कार मांगी, अल्टोजेन फरारी, फिर भी है तो हाइड्रोजन को लात मारेगा कि नहीं? So which
Yes,
gas will be
sir.
released? Hydrogen.
ZnCl2 plus
But they
H2O.
have not took the
I have a
reaction.
doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
So for the second one, can we also write combination reaction?
Yeah, you can write that, but you can write combination
Exactly.
also. Yeah, for second one you can write combination also, bro. Now here we are going to do this. What is given here? Let us see. A strip X is dipped into copper sulfate X was dipped into copper sulfate. Okay, copper sulfate is which color? Beta, I told you, no, copper salt are which color? Blue color.
Sir, blue.
Blue.
Blue. It's not blue, it is blue. Okay, then it became beta what? After some time, the reddish brown deposit is seen on the strip and blue color of the solution fade. Okay, so based on this, now, so beta, what will happen? Beta, blue color is fading means what is happening? This X will
So
displace.
displacement.
Displacement.
Yeah,
displacement.
and it will form something new.
The metal X is iron.
And this copper is getting displaced, so this will give you reddish brown
Metal X.
strip. What type of reaction it is? Displacement. Identify the metal X using the reactivity series.
So FEI.
Fe. Fe.
So,
You can take any metal
sir,
basically.
so
Yeah,
in
tell
the
me.
solution set of
So in the
the
solution set, they gave us zinc.
as the
Zinc, beta, you
answer,
can
sir.
take any metal. Any metal which is above copper, beta. Karina ne car mangi, any metal can displace, na, above one. Karina ne car mangi, Alto, Zen, Ferrari. You can take Zn also, Fe also, anything. So you take Zn.
Metal can form the reddish brown deposit.
Reddish brown deposit is of copper metal, na, because copper is getting this. Huh. Write the
Oh,
balance equation. If they say, then what you do if you're taking zinc? You take zinc, bro. You'll get zinc sulfate and copper. Easy. So this was your zinc. This is your
Yes, sir.
third reaction. Why did the blue color solution fade? Because color of the solution was blue because of copper, but zinc displaced it or not? Tell me. Right?
Sir, and then once it displaced it, it turned into a light green color.
Yeah, and slowly it fades. Color will fade because zinc sulfate is colorless. What does this experiment show about the reactivity of X and copper? So what will say X is?
Sir, it shows that
X is
X is
more
more
reactive.
More
reactive than copper.
reactive, bro. It is more reactive. Understood or not? Tell me. It was so simple. Chemistry is so simple. Barium nitrate with potassium sulfate. Oh my God. Barium nitrate with potassium sulfate. Acha, you know na barium valence is 2. Nitrate is 1. So this will go here, this will go here. So you got barium nitrate. Potassium valence is 1. Sulfate is how much? 2. Crisscross. So you get K2SO4. Now partners will change. Tell me, barium will go with whom? Sulfate.
BaSO4.
Yeah, barium and sulfate both are 2, 2. So get cancel and you get KNO3. Now we need to balance this. How many K are here? 2. So I'll write here 2. And 2 nitrates. Equation is balanced. Copper with silver nitrate. Silver nitrate. Silver valence is 1. Nitrate is also 1. Now beta Karina ne कार मांगी अल्टोज एंड फरारी फिर भी है क्यूट Mercury silver. So now tell me, will copper displace silver or not? Tell me, copper is above or not? Tell me. Hello, bolo na.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah. Copper valence is how much? Copper valence is how much? 2. Nitrate is 1. So what I'll get? Tell me. Crisscross.
Sir,
CuNO3
CuNO3 2.
and Ag. But beta, I need here 2 nitrates. So I'll put here 2 and silver also I'll put 2. So this equation is also balanced. This was your first one. This is your second one. Eg. Magnesium, if I burn. Magnesium. If I burn in oxygen, what I get?
Magnesium oxide.
It burns with dazzling white flame to give magnesium oxide. But your oxygen is 2, so what I'll do here? I'll put 2 here. But the moment I put 2, magnesium should be also 2 or not? Tell me. Now, beta, whenever they ask you electrolysis of water, you have to be very careful. What you'll write, beta? H2O, but
Sir,
here
in the
you write
reaction,
H2O.
sir,
acidified,
I
you have
had a
to write.
question.
If you don't write acidified, you will lose marks. On arrow, what you
Sir,
have to
in the
write?
reaction of magnesium. Sir,
Electric
in the
current.
reaction.
What happened?
Sir,
Reaction of magnesium?
sir, in that one, they said that there was a powder, like a white color
Yeah,
powder.
white powder.
That,
It burns with dazzling white flame and you get white powder of magnesium oxide.
sir, I didn't catch. Oh, magnesium oxide. Okay, sir.
2. Have you understood this last reaction? You'll have to write
Yes,
this
sir.
acidified and electric current. Yeah, what is your problem? Tell me.
Sir,
Kabir.
nothing, sir.
So
Sir,
white
nothing,
powder
sir.
is of magnesium beta oxide. Clear? Now tell me, students, what problem are you having? Have you all understood this or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Tell me now. Hey, this also there was some worksheet. Come on, tell me what will be the answer of this quickly.
Sabhi.
An element
Sabhi.
displaces. Which of the following is displacement? C.
Sir, C.
Which is for double decomposition of barium chloride and this thing. If I take barium chloride and sodium sulfate, what I am going to get?
So BaSO4
Barium
and
sulfate and NaCl. So which is the answer? Yes, there is an error. They forgot to write this. B. B for Bombay. Are you getting it? I want to do a little big. Okay, now you can see, I guess. Hey, what will be the answer for this? Come on, which of the following is the precipitate? Look, beta. Zinc chloride. क्या ये आगे होगा पब का क्लोराइड है? नहीं. क्या ये आगे होगा पब का क्लोराइड है? नहीं. All nitrate are soluble. ए आगे होगा पब का क्लोराइड. This is the precipitation. Myru, have you understood now this?
Yes, sir.
Iron sulfate, the metal which can displace iron from iron sulfate. कौन होगा?
Sir, magnesium.
Magnesium. Because it is above, na? Karina ने कार मांगी. Define displacement reaction with A. We have done this. This is repeated, I guess. This all is repeated. Right, na? Right?
Yes, sir.
This double displacement reaction in white PPT is formed. So you can write white PPT of silver chloride, beta. So what will take, beta? Silver nitrate, sodium chloride. You get white PPT of silver chloride. And NaNO3. Got it, bro? Imagine you are detective and you are solving a crime. A blue solution turned colorless and reddish brown metal. अरे बेटा वही होगा ना, zinc plus copper sulfate. Copper sulfate was blue or not? Tell me. And color will fade. So
Sir,
zinc.
wasn't it iron? Fe था ना?
नहीं, कौन बे? कोई भी ले सकता है तू भाई. नहीं, लेकिन आयन नहीं ले
Okay,
सकता
sir.
because ferrous sulfate is colored. Which
Okay,
metal
sir.
is getting deposited now? Copper. Metal displace हो गया कि नहीं? Copper is brown ना, reddish brown. Okay. If I would have taken your Fe beta, then ferrous sulfate is green colored. बेटा वो लोग ने green बोला है क्या? नहीं ना, colorless बोला है ना बेटा. Zinc is
Okay, sir.
colorless. Is sodium bicarbonate and this vinegar we did right now, beta. So is this a double displacement or displacement? So what will be your answer? Double displacement. Write a chemical reaction where one of the product is white precipitate. अरे वही सिल्वर वाला हम लोग लिख सकते हैं, सिल्वर क्लोराइड वाला. अभी यहाँ पे हम लोग ने बोला है ए कैन यू मिक्स कॉपर मेटल विथ आयरन सल्फेट, कॉपर प्लस FeSO4. कैन कॉपर डिस्प्लेस Fe? अरे करीना ने कार मांगी अल्टोज
No,
एंड
sir,
फरारी.
can't.
फिर भी
No, sir, no.
नो ना बेटा. कैन कॉपर डिस्प्लेस Fe? इल. No, reaction will not take place. Why? Because copper is below.
And the
Below.
reactivity is
Yeah. So done. Do you have any other doubt? Anybody? This one more worksheet is there. Let us finish this thing off. Achha, this reaction I wanted to tell you, beta, they may ask this. Potassium chlorate, when you heat, what do you get? KClO3. KClO3. When you heat it, you get KCl plus oxygen. 2 and 3. Anyways, which is a chemical change? Come on, tell me, bros.
Sir B.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir B. Burning of paper.
Burning of paper, because you get new powder, carbon मिल जाएगा बेटा. Which of the following represent combination? Only one product is for where? In which one? Huh? A. One product, na? Name a reaction when replace one metal another. Which one? Arey,
Sir displacement.
displacement. Which of the following is decomposition? One reactant gives many products.
A.
Which is an example of double displacement?
A.
Partners are changing ना बेटा. अरे वो सब देखा ना अभी तो इतना. Rusting of iron is an example of which change?
Chemical change.
Chemical. Very good. Which of the following reaction is exothermic, in which heat is evolved?
Combustion of
Methane.
Combustion is always exothermic, because whenever we use fuel at our house, beta, तो heat is given out, na? अच्छा बेटा, this
Sir, we have discussed this worksheet.
what we have discussed ना, but फटाफट बता देता ना बेटा. Anyways, what is reaction in which reduction stands for red?
The redox reaction.
And oxidation का मैंने ox ले लिया, तो कौन सा reaction हो जाता है इसको? Redox. Reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Which is the following is a sign of a chemical change?
All of the above.
Change of color, yes. Gas, yes. This, yes. So answer is all of the above. The reaction in which acid react with base to give you salt
B.
and water.
Neutralization.
Neutralization. Okay. Right. So beta, what is that? Photolysis, beta, reaction. The decomposition reaction will take place by absorption of sunlight or light. Look beta, 3 element blah 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 blah. They are given. B ने A को लात मारा कि नहीं बोलो बेटा. B has displaced, right? Can you see beta? Okay. B has also displaced C, and A has displaced C. So now what they have asked, which element is the most reactive? बोलो B ने A को लात मारा तो B से A ज्यादा पावरफुल है. फिर B ने किसको लात मारा? C को भी मारा. तो B is greater than C.
So B is most reactive.
हाँ.
B.
And A ने किसको लात
And
मारा?
C is reactive. C.
हाँ. A ने किसको लात मारा? C. तो who is the most reactive? B. B और A और C में कौन reactive है ज्यादा बोलो?
A.
A. So then C. Understood? So who's the most reactive? B.
B.
Who is the least reactive?
C.
C. Understood or not? Tell me. Hello. Now you have to identify. Which reaction is this?
So decomposition.
Decomposition. This is लात मार रहा है इसको. So
Displacement.
displacement.
सर कॉम्बिनेशन उसके बाद.
Combination. Very good. अरे यार मेरा पेन क्यों नहीं चल रहा है? Combination. Some problem with the pen. ये भी एयर इसको लात मार रहा है बेटा. तो which reaction?
Displacement.
Only one product.
Combination.
Combi. A base, acid.
Double
Displacement कौन सा होगा? Double. Because neutralization is double displacement or not? Tell me.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So with this beta we have done again so many worksheet, and I hope you will be able to do all this. Right?
Yes.
Polona. Any other doubt anybody is having?
Sir, can you do the past paper?
Past paper I did, no, bro. No, I didn't do the past paper, bro. Oh
No,
my
sir.
God, so where is the past paper, bro? Hello. This is the past paper, bro. I hope you all can see this or no. Tell me, bros.
No,
Yeah.
sir.
We can't see.
Now you can see. Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Is some Shaisha Dani paper. Baking of bread is
Yes,
which
sir, we
type of
can see.
reaction?
So B exothermic.
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 Okay. Right. Element X on exposure to moist air turn reddish brown.
So A.
A.
तो रेडिश ब्राउन कौन बन जाता है बेटा? Fe. देखना Fe2O3 बन जाएगा कि नहीं? तो मेटल इज Fe एंड इट इज Fe2O3. आइडेंटिफाई द रिएक्शन. अभी ये ऊपर क्यों नहीं जा रहा है? अभी यहाँ ओ सम प्रॉब्लम विद दिस. हाँ चलो बेटा ये ओहो. आइडेंटिफाई द केमिकल रिएक्शन रिप्रेजेंट प्रोडक्शन ऑफ मैग्नीशियम नाइट्राइड बाय बर्निंग मैग्नीशियम. तो कौन सा वाला होगा बोलो बेटा? विच वन इज द करेक्ट वन?
So B.
B equation is not balanced. You have to write balanced equation. So for balancing, what you'll have to do? Arey,
The C.
magnesium plus nitrogen. You know magnesium valence is how much? 2. Nitrogen is how much? 3. So you have to do crisscross. So what you are going to get? Mg2 N3. How many Mg should be there, beta?
Sir,
3. Sorry, Mg3
Mg3
N2.
2.
Mg. So here it should be 3. So which is the correct one? C. C for Chagan. Silver chloride is exposed to long duration. It turns gray. Why?
So only I.
Formation of silver. Yes.
So it would be both.
And
No.
chlorine दोनों मिल रहा है कि नहीं? देख सिल्वर बन रहा है. Yes. सब्लिमेशन हो रहा है. No. Decomposition of chlorine गैस बना के नहीं बोलो बेटा. So it will be both. Are you getting it? Hello.
But it isn't in the options.
Why it is not there? ओके नॉट
So
देयर.
that
सॉरी
only
मेरे
has
को
2
लगा
and
कि
3.
वो मेरे को 2 दिखाई दिया अभी. सो इट विल बी ओनली ए. ओके ओके मेरे को 2 दिख रहा था ये वाला. ठीक है. राइट. बेटा दिस इज रॉन्ग एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन. व्हाई? इट कैन बी बेटा बोथ. दैट इज 1 and 3 बोथ होना चाहिए बेटा. तो इफ आई राइट ओनली 3 देन ऑल्सो इट इज करेक्ट. So this is a wrong option question given. Then what is this? Look, beta, they are given something. Ah, beta, what is there, beta? You know, this is a. Arey, beta, they are given. I'll show you this diagram, what they have done. इतना बड़ा स्ट्रिप लिया है, इसके अंदर मैंने कॉपर रखा है. कॉपर का कलर क्या था? रेडिश ब्राउन.
So it's copper sulfate.
हाँ कॉपर सल्फेट के अंदर कौन सा स्ट्रिप है? Iron nail.
Iron
So this is
nail.
iron nail. Then this is iron nail. Okay, and copper sulfate. What is the color of copper sulfate? Blue.
Blue.
Blue. Now you only tell me what will happen. This is my copper sulfate and this is my Fe का nail. तो क्या होगा बोलो ना?
Sir,
Fe copper को लात मारेगा कि नहीं? What is the color of the
Yes,
solution
sir.
after the iron nail
So
reacts with?
light green.
हाँ
Light green.
हाँ.
Light green.
तो देखो when Fe react with copper sulfate, the blue color will fade and it will give you FeSO4. FeSO4 is green color. And which metal will come, beta? Copper. So this is from Ballu. It will become green. Light green. Write the balance equation. I have written this plus Cu है यहाँ पे दिख रहा है कि नहीं तुम लोगों को? बोलो ना
Balance.
बोस। चलो बस यहाँ पे तुम्हारे
Yes.
लिए जगह बना था। अरे व्हाइट कलर ले लेता। And that copper is missing ना, so I'll make that copper also there. Ooh, now easy. Name the type of reaction, man. Displacement. What will happen if copper strips are placed in ferrous sulfate? So what will happen? अरे बेटा, नो रिएक्शन। कैन कॉपर डिस्प्लेस? अरे क्या
No,
कॉपर
sir.
Fe को डिस्प्लेस करेगा क्या? इल्ले, not not at all. No reaction, not possible. Ichi, is the star question. Why formation of a slaked line is considered combination? तो I'll give you explanation for this. Slaked line कैसे बना था बेटा? अभी हम लोग ने थोड़ी टाइम पहले किया था ना, quick
Quick
line
line plus
plus
water.
water will give you slaked line. E.g., it is a combination
So
or not?
because
Tell me.
two
Okay.
compounds react to
नमस्ते
form a
सर,
new compound.
10 मिनट दोगे? हेलो, yeah. Then what else is there, man? Oh my God, this is also there. What is this? Hey, come on. We have to match the color. Copper oxide is which color? I told you, na beta. Copper salt are all blue color, but only copper
Black.
oxide is black.
Black.
Black residue. Black mamba. Magnesium oxide, beta, burns with which flame? I told you, na, dazzling white
White
flame.
dazzling.
Dazzling white flame. Right, beta? Lead oxide, beta.
Yellow.
Lead oxide is which color, beta?
Yellow.
Yellow. Mercury oxide is which color? Orange red.
Orange.
Yeah. Identify the reaction, beta. Acidylated water to hydrogen and oxygen. Which reaction?
Decomposition.
No, decomposition, but which
Wait,
one?
that way.
Electrolysis. Electrolytic decomposition. Decomposition of hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid कैसे decompose होता था? This is hypochlorous acid in presence of sunlight. So which reaction? Sunlight वाला कौन सा होगा?
Photolysis.
बेटा आप बोलोगे सर ये कहाँ है? आप लोग भूल गए बेटा. I have given in my notes. If you remember, bros, where it is? चलो anyways, I'll show you बेटा. बाद में करेंगे बेटा, ठीक है ना? ये हो गया. It is which one it was beta? Photolysis. Formation of iron sulfide from sulfur and iron. So it is which reaction beta? Combination. Which reaction? Combination. This is not there for you beta, because this is of language of chemistry beta. ठीक है ना? अरे यार, this criss cross से कैसे बनेगा पोटेशियम कार्बोनेट? K2CO3. This is not there for you, so we are not doing it. This is also, this balance equation you can do na beta. This is Chindi man.
Right.
Yeah. Most reactive कौन है इसमें से? करीना ने कार मांगी अल्टो जैन फरारी, फिर भी है क्यूट मर्क्यूरी. करीना कार मांगी अल्टो जैन, जैन के बाद में फरारी है. तो who is the most reactive among this?
Zinc.
Zinc. Zinc. A metal above list which cannot displace dilute acid to produce hydrogen. Who cannot displace?
Mercury.
Mercury and copper both. Arrange the metal in the decreasing order of reactivity. Decreasing means what beta? Most reactive to least reactive. So this is the. This is most reactive and this is least reactive. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, done. Finito. We are done with this. Anything else? Anybody? So all the best for tomorrow. Okay? ए मेरे को बताओ, तुम्हारा अभी एवरीडे एग्जाम है कि क्या है स्कूल में?
Every day exam,
Every day.
like unit
And lectures
tests.
will be, class will be also there.
Yes. So after school, मतलब
मतलब पूरा दिन स्कूल होएगा, but on the start of every day exam.
And then beta tomorrow, then I can keep a class if you are going to school and every regular. I thought it is a full portion test. No, na beta?
no, so but we have other exams.
So, but we have English test day after.
So, but English, what to study for English, man?
Sir, but there are also other
literature.
subjects.
So
Sir, there
literature
are other
and
subjects that we
grammar.
need to study about.
Yeah, it's literature chapter or something.
Okay, not a problem. Then I'll not keep class tomorrow. I'll keep for only non-AVM students. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Chalo
Bye.
then. Bye-bye, everybody. Good night. All the
Bye,
best.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yes, sir.
Bye, sir. Thanks, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.